HEMCO top hammer drill bits and drill rods. Top hammer drilling is all about transmitting intense impact energy into the rock being drilled with minimal loss of energy. The process of drilling smaller diameter holes by top hammering imposes much strain on the drilling tools and equipment. HEMCO top hammer bits and drill rods are manufactured to the highest standards using premium grade materials to give maximum meterage of drilling even in very hard rock formation. We offer both regular skirt and rhetoric bit face designs. DTH hammers and bits. HEMCO offers down-the-hole hammers DTH and bits for drilling diameters from 90 mm to 445 mm. The hammers and the bits are manufactured to the highest standards using premium grade steel alloys that are heat treated and hardened for maximum productivity without compromising durability or reliability. Top hammer drill rods and shank adapters. HEMCO MF drill rods are specially designed for the toughest surface bench drilling works. The special features of these drill rods include highly rigid designs resulting in straight holes and maximum productivity, special high-strength steel for long life, effective heat treatment for extended service life and minimal wear thread, and tight manufacturing tolerances for the threads resulting in maximum durability and reliability. HEMCO also supplies extension rods, drifting and tunneling rods, shank adapters to the world-class standards.